If you don't know by now, I'm a plant lover and I am always posting videos about my balcony plants every now and then. But recently, one of the most joyous things about my plants are taking place. So these are Jamaican Scotch bonnet peppers. Well, it's a plant and it's finally in bloom, and they have struggled to grow this year, like literally struggled, because this one is still very small. I actually had 3 in this container and 1 died earlier during the summer holiday, and now this one is blooming and has a lot of blossoms. So it's actually, some of the blossoms aren't holding because the first one was like maybe a week or so ago and it died, but it's okay seeing that it's still producing a lot more. And then even though this one is small, it is actually starting to bloom as well. So I am hoping that before winter comes I can actually get some fresh peppers, because I didn't get a lot of peppers compared to last year, because I actually got a lot of peppers from the habanero as well. But this habanero was an old one from last year. I had it in a smaller container, and to be honest, it has been in bloom before the summer holiday, but the blossoms just kept on falling off, and even now they're still falling. But what I have noticed recently is that, where is it, like some of the petals have been falling and leaving the, what would you call that? Look, I'm not a flower expert. I just plant my plants because I like my plants. But they have been falling off and leaving it like this. So I am thinking that maybe, just maybe, and maybe finally, some of the peppers will actually start holding now. So they look like this after they lose the blossom, and if they hold, then the peppers will actually grow. So if it actually holds, then I'll have a lot of hot peppers that I can collect before winter comes. So this is the habanero, and trust me, the habaneros are really habaneroing. They're extremely hot. And the Jamaican Scotch bonnet peppers over there. Now for my tomatoes, I actually did not get nothing out of them this year, so I will be cutting them down soon. This is like the only tomato that came from all the blossoms that were about. But it is what it is. That's it.